Time for the mix, and we're going to begin with two favorites coming together. We've got Disneyland and Kermit the Frog celebrating Christmas. Let's have a listen.
Nice. It's in the singing of a street corner choir. It's going home and getting warm by the fire. It's true wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. It is the season of the heart.
When you said Disney, I thought he was going to be singing Let It Go.
Let It Go. Well, you know, he's celebrating Christmas at Disneyland, and he's singing It Feels Like Christmas from the Muppets Christmas Carol.
Doesn't it feel like
And
Christmas?
hey, why not? He knows how to bring. That's my favorite when he does that. He knows how to bring on the cheer and get the holiday season kicked off. Go Kermit!
All right, let's keep with the holiday cheer here. A photographer in the UK. Let me show you what he does to his dog. Okay, this is how he makes his Christmas cards. He puts his dog through this. He has the dog. Oh, you like that, huh?
Christmas topper. Oh yeah.
Okay,
you know,
yes.
I love it all.
He has the dog posing in these different. Yes.
Great.
That's Scrooge. Okay, the other's one here. Okay, that's the live turkey.
Oh wow.
But then
He's
there's
a turkey.
Here's the one that's odd.
Oh.
Can we stop on that one? Do you all see this? He has him on the plate and looking like he's being served.
He's stuffed. He's the stuffing in the turkey.
It is just that one's odd.
You know
But
what though? I love all kinds of creative Christmas cards. I love when people
That's
sort
his
of
Christmas
put in
card.
a little bit of effort and do something funny. I think it's fun.
Well, there you go. You'll
go.
appreciate this.
Oh,
Okay, that was not bad. That was not bad.
They keep coming. Okay, now Santa surprise. Keeping with
yeah.
the holiday theme. So these folks were on a Virgin flight, Virgin Atlantic 787 Dreamliner, and before takeoff, I should add, because this would be kind of scary in the middle of a flight. Someone busting through the door. Who is it? Santa and his reindeer. And the passengers get a little special treat there. And we're going to see, yeah, that's Santa. And he comes on board and gives out gifts. And he has a jolly old time. He actually gave some pretty good gifts. He surprised travelers with Windows tablets and
Oh, wow.
and a chat with Santa. That was the other gift he gave of his time. But I love his ski goggles. I think this is a very stylish Santa Claus. No, you'd expect nothing less on a Virgin Atlantic flight, of course.
This was before takeoff or after landing, or what was this?
I think it's before takeoff.
Okay.
Because, you know, while reindeer can really fly, you know, I don't think they've ever really been captured on video like that before.
We have time. Can we show you this hoodie? A guy who calls himself a professional drinker has created this thing. It's a drinking hoodie. It's essentially a jacket that's supposed to be for somebody who likes to drink. You see some of the things it has going
I like
here?
that zipper.
He actually wants to produce this thing. Can you believe it?